Hello, Catalyst community. This is the closing report for the project MetaDID experiment in Aizu Lab, which was funded by Catalyst FUND8 with $50,000 in ADA for the Accelerate Decentralized Identity Challenge. First, let me tell you a little bit about Aizu Lab. It is based in the region of Fukushima Prefecture, Japan. It is a co-working space located in front of the University of Aizu. Students from the University of Aizu are interested in the latest technology and keen to learn about blockchain, so they also contributed to the project. As for the purpose of our project, initially we had the following two goals: to conduct a more thorough and collaborative investigation of the use of Atala Prism for Metaverse ID, and to propose a standard for Metaverse ID and, if necessary, to Cardano's CIP. However, since we were unable to gain access to Atala Prism SDK, we had to adjust our first goal to develop our own application for creating and managing DIDs. Our project schedule looked like this. Our team started with little to no previous knowledge of Cardano blockchain or decentralized identity, so we had to learn everything from scratch. As a team, we spent some time creating documents that broke down the core concepts of these technologies. Through presentations and discussions, we were able to deepen our understanding and move forward with the development of our project. As for the project results, we have three deliverables. The first one is a MetaDID method specification, which specifies the precise operations by which MetaDIDs and DID documents are created, resolved, updated, and deactivated. The second one is a prototype application for creating and managing decentralized identifiers, which we will be demonstrating to you shortly. And lastly, we came up with the concept of single sign-on feature using DIDs. We weren't able to implement it just yet, but we created a design specification document. The DID SSO we have designed is a system that contains many Web 2.0 features at the current stage, but we would like to reduce these features to as close to zero as possible in the future. Let me show you a quick demo of the MetaDID generator app that we developed in this project. The functions of this application include creating, updating, deleting, and resolving DIDs. All operations except for resolving DIDs require the user to connect with their Cardano wallet. The reason for that is that the public key of Cardano wallet is used to generate decentralized identifiers. The MetaDID generator app currently supports the usage of Nami wallet. Let's start with a demo of a DID generation. In order to preserve the concepts of self-sovereign identity, DID documents are stored in the interplanetary file system, otherwise known as IPFS, which stores information in a decentralized manner, thereby eliminating the disadvantages of conventional ID management. However, it is difficult to implement a completely decentralized design. So, for instance, in the case of features such as deleting DIDs, which we will explain later, the user's DID is controlled by the centralized mechanism of this application. This is the generated DID document. By pressing Send in the bottom left corner, the DID document gets stored in the IPFS, and the IPFS content ID is stored in the blockchain, which concludes the generation of a DID. Next, let me explain the process of updating DIDs. After pressing the Update button, you can see a model with two options. You can delete or update the services in the DID document. After choosing an option, click on the Change button to change the DID document. The mechanism for making changes here is the same as with generating DIDs. Next up is resolving DIDs. By entering a DID into the field, you can resolve the DID document associated with it. A DID document is resolved by retrieving the list of transactions from the blockchain. Transactions contain the content ID of the DID document, which is used to request a document from IPFS. After resolving, the DID document is displayed in the application. Next, let's look at deleting DIDs. To delete a DID, you need to click the Delete DID button, and then click Delete on the confirmation screen. As the information on the blockchain cannot be deleted completely, the app just sends a transaction with a status field, which contains the value deactivated instead of an IPFS content ID. By doing so, the next time you try to resolve the deleted DID, the app recognizes the deactivated status and refuses to display the DID document. Once a DID has been deleted successfully, you can see the confirmation message. Let's check that the DID has indeed been deleted. If the DID has been deleted, it will no longer be possible to resolve the DID document. And finally, let me explain wallet authentication. This is the mechanism that influenced the design of DID single sign-on. In order to authenticate the user, we send an arbitrary string which the user has to sign with their private key. After that, the authenticity of the signature can be confirmed using the wallet public key. By doing so, the user can be authenticated. This concludes the demo of MetaDID generator. In conclusion, we think that Cardano provides a great ecosystem for building projects and promoting self-sovereign identity. It was a fantastic journey so far, and we are thankful to the Cardano community for voting for this project. We look forward to working with you in the future. Thank you.